Hey, I'm thinking you finna show me a real clip. That shit was AI. That shit ain't structured.
Hello world, we're back. Did you miss me?
No!
Anyway, we are in Houston, Texas.
What am I now?
Stupid?
No, I'm Texas.
What's the difference?
As y'all can see, bro, we got my brother right here, man. We got Christopher. Bro,
Don't do drugs.
what is this, bro? This nigga with Hellcats, bro. Bro, last time I saw you, you had the vet. So where the vet go? At the crib.
Nice.
Bro, you gotta start YouTube and you gotta do a fucking car tour. Bro, that's 10 cars, bro. I got 10 cars. Nah, I ain't got 10 cars, bro. Y'all, let me update y'all on what happened, bro. So, as y'all can see, y'all probably like, what's that? Brother, so, basically, we got the slim body, we got the slim body wheel right now. Wide body wheel is cracked, bro. I don't know how. I didn't hit nothing, but like somewhere in the back is like a small crack.
Stop the cap.
And it's not holding any air, bro. So, we had to take it off. And then this, we got some cream juice right here. Cream juice? It probably came from you, bro.
Shut your ass up!
Nigga jizzed on my damn door, bro. What the fuck, bro? Yeah, we got the... I'm actually just gonna take his wheel. These fresh, right? Fresh? Fresh? Yeah.
Nigga, you gay.
Yeah, fresh. They don't feel fresh because I just got on today and I did like 10 burnouts. What? Stupid. The fuck? Yo, tires don't say this nigga for nothing, bro. You enjoying the cat though, brother?
I love it. Y'all should get one.
Damn! Bro! What happened? You just bought it.
You know, what happened was when I was driving,
Nah, this is tough though. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, when you gonna start doing YouTube, bro?
once I get my new car.
This is your new car.
Oh, another car.
Oh, fuck. This nigga glitching, bro. This nigga going too far with the, but nigga got the Houston car glitch, bro. No, we finna start that. Oh God. Hey, look, nigga switched it up.
Let's see that. Houston car.
We got the Houston car glitch.
We
Oh
really
God. Oh yeah, so we back, man. We got Day with us. He's on a call right now. Some stuff that happened or went down or whatever. So you know what I'm saying, I ain't gonna talk about it because that's his business. But we finna ride out, man. I don't know where we going, but it's gonna be a movie, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so as y'all can see, bro, we got big OCB in the cut. That's a scary sight.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal.
Y'all, my pole, my backpack is stolen, but I have another pole, so don't try to play with me.
What the fuck? Why would...
I put a hole where you play with me at.
That's gotta be racist. There's no way.
Fuck, man. Anyway, we got Chris back here in a fucking Hellcat.
Say hey, Chris. You should have said say hey, Chris.
Say hey, Chris.
That's the way he said it.
Say hi, Chris. Oh shit. Hey, Chris.
Shut your ass!
Hi, Chris. Oh shit. Oh fuck.
I see Chris.
You saw Chris?
I see Chris.
We saw Chris.
I was sitting on top of the ceiling shaking ass.
Yeah, y'all, it's about time to go, y'all. Oh! Oh, look, it's a V6. Oh, shit! Yeah, we got Hellcats. Shifting that bitch like it's an SVJ.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
You a grown ass man.
My cat's so weird.
Yo, what?
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
That person mad as fuck. Go, go, go! Type shit, type shit, type shit. Bro, that shit sounds crazy, bro. What the fuck? Hold on. Do my shit sound like that? A little bit. Don't lie, we don't need to be in. What ice cream at? We gonna go get ice cream, Chris. Oh fuck. How you doing? They see us recording. Fuck, I forgot you can't record it. Oh shit, that's a wide body. Oh shit.
Were you talking about the Tesla?
Yes. No. Nah, I ain't. It was a Tesla. A Tesla where?
Let me tell my girl shit on something.
Ew, brother.
I probably
Ew.
shouldn't eat ice cream.
Yeah, so we finna go in here and get some ice cream. Hi, how you doing? How you doing? Doing good.
Bang, bang.
Baby, you dead. Gay ass motherfucker.
All right, so based off how I'm dressed, right? What you think I drive?
No!
Nah, he trying to. I see what you did there. I see what you did there. Yeah, he gave me AIDS.
I'm looking for somebody tall.
Hey, but I drunk the stuff. I didn't even put it on.
Man, you can't cure no AIDS, man. Magic Johnson still got that shit.
Damn.
Hey man, hood niggas eat ice cream too.
If you go to jail, they're gonna fuck you. They're gonna fuck the shit out you, cause you're.
Hey, tell them hood niggas eat ice cream too.
Nigga, I seen a motherfucking rainbow yesterday.
I'm about to bust.
Nigga, a rainbow beautiful as a motherfucker.
I need that. I ain't gonna lie. Am I gay if I get that? That shit hard as fuck.
Where's go that high?
Thank you so much.
Do it again. Do it again.
So I'm buying this right now. So
What the fuck? All that dancing and shit, boy, I'm really about to get on your ass. Your ketchup bottle built body ass. Your goddamn stoplight, red stoplight built body ass. Your goddamn fire hydrant looking body ass. Your goddamn,
You know what you feel like?
what?
This. You built like this.
You got Ferragamo tattooed on your arm. Hey, you good? Oh.
Yeah, I'm good, bro. What's up?
What the fuck?
Be careful.
This nigga's a movie character and shit.
My name carry GTA character. I'm my dog. Oh my god, you be careful, okay?
Yeah, y'all kissing and
I
shit? What
did
y'all
it.
doing? Y'all kissing? Wait, hold on. Before you go, I need a cinematic shot. 3, 2, 1, go.
Shop 24 hours like 7-Eleven. We bringing that press 2K25. I rap for my niggas, I die for my bros. Just shaking my head, which bro was alive. When the nights I stood up crying, wishing that I had a side. When my niggas had took off and called my name, they ain't reached back. Don't no nigga hold me shit. I was down bad on my dick. I was fucked up in the head. The doctor told me take my meds. My mama told me I won't write my baby mama on my ass. My little cousin, I'm the one. My big brother told me to train.
time it is, bro? No. Do y'all know what time it is?
Your job, leave me the fuck alone. If I knock the fuck at you.
It's 5 a.m.
We don't care. Let me tell you.
What we doing? We out riding. Shit, nigga. Hop in, let go. That's like the coolest shit ever, bro. Alright guys, so if y'all do not follow me on Instagram, y'all gotta make sure y'all follow me. I know a lot of YouTubers say that. I actually mean it because, well, I just bought another car. Yeah. I just bought another car and bought it based off of the Instagram poll. Really just whichever car got the most votes, I just went and bought one. So be on the lookout for a new whip, man. I just ordered it. Obviously it's not here. You know what I'm saying? When you order a car out of town, you have to wait, which that sucks. But it is what it is, big homie. Got a new car on the way, man. I hope y'all enjoy the new build. Like, we working on this build, and we got the other build coming, and then we got another build coming. So we got a lot of stuff coming for the channel, man. That being said, man, ooh, I'm about to run this light. Ooh, bitch. Hold on, wait. Hold on, wait, bitch. Hold on, wait. That's what I'm talking about. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little parched, so I'm about to pull up to the gas station, get a little Slurpee and shit, so we getting that box truck money. Yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to the gas station, man, okay. Stupid. Let go. I ain't gonna lie, this is probably one of my favorite gas stations in Houston right now. I don't know why, but it just is. So I always come here. It's shit like 20 away from the crib, but I still go because I put one shoulder up and I put the other shoulder up and I drop it because I don't give a fuck. Oh, almost got me.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
Yeah, I got them things. Got them two long things, man. And I'm gonna eat them. Oh, bro, I'm gonna eat them. I'm gonna suck the fuck. All right, y'all buzz, man. So we're gonna go ahead and bring it back in the crib, man. But before we go, we got about 3 minutes left. Well, now it says 2. So I don't know if my location got closer or what. This sound never gets old, bro. Oh my god, this sound never gets fucking old, dude. Shit body. Woo! This sound never gets old, bro. What the fuck? Fuck, nigga, we racing. Nigga, we racing? Where the light at? Oh yeah, hold on. I'll take that. Shit, I gotta get over. No! You think this guy let me over? Fucks, no. I gotta take it. And then he got stars. Ooh, shit. My coochie just got wet. Fucking track hawk. It's really a fucking track hawk. That is stopping me from getting over, nigga. What the fuck?
Mam, nabida, le feliz, labida. Andale!